Are you ready to unlock the secret power of a simple combination? Imagine the tangy freshness of lemon merging with the smooth richness of olive oil. It may sound like an ordinary duo, but together, they create a concoction with extraordinary potential. Join us on a journey to explore the 10 intriguing advantages of this unique blend, and prepare to discover a whole new level of wellness. Number 10. Natural Energy Boost. Need a natural pick-me-up? Look no further than olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach. Some folks claim that this combo can give you an energy boost to kickstart your day. Olive oil provides a dose of healthy fats, which are a great source of sustained energy. Meanwhile, lemon brings a zesty burst of vitamin C, known for its energizing properties. Together, they might just be the perfect fuel to get you going in the morning. However, everyone's energy needs and responses may vary, so it's important to listen to your body and adopt a well-rounded approach to maintaining energy levels, including proper sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet. So, give this lemony olive oil concoction a try and see if it helps put some pep in your step. Number 9. Skin Health. Get ready to glow because when you mix olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach, your skin might thank you. Olive oil is like a natural moisturizer that can keep your skin looking soft and supple. And lemon brings its brightening game to the party, helping to even out your skin tone and give you a healthy glow. Together, they make a dynamic duo for promoting skin health. Just remember to use olive oil topically or consume it in moderation, as excessive consumption may have adverse effects. So, give your skin some love by incorporating this lemony olive oil combo into your routine, but don't forget to take care of your skin with a proper skincare regimen as well. Number 8. Liver Support. Give your liver a little love by sipping on olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach. Lemon is believed to have a cleansing effect on the liver, helping it eliminate toxins from the body. Combine that with the potential liver protective properties of olive oil, and you've got a powerful duo for promoting liver health. However, it's important to note that while this combination may have some benefits, maintaining a healthy liver also requires a balanced diet, limiting alcohol intake, and avoiding excessive consumption of fatty or processed foods. So, while enjoying your lemon-infused olive oil, be sure to support your liver with a wholesome lifestyle. Number 7. Alkalizing Effect. Believe it or not, consuming olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach may have an alkalizing effect on your body. Although lemon is acidic in nature, once metabolized, it is thought to have an alkalizing effect on the body's pH levels. This is because lemon contains alkaline minerals, such as potassium and magnesium, which can help balance the body's pH and promote an alkaline environment. While maintaining a slightly alkaline pH is desirable for overall health, it's important to note that the body has its own intricate mechanisms to regulate pH levels. So, while the combination of olive oil and lemon may contribute to a balanced pH, it's essential to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle to support optimal pH balance. Number 6. Digestive Aid. The combination of olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach is believed to have a positive impact on digestion. Lemon is known to stimulate the production of bile, a substance produced by the liver that aids in the breakdown and absorption of fats. By promoting the secretion of bile, lemon may enhance the digestion of dietary fats, making them easier for the body to process. Olive oil, on the other hand, is known for its lubricating properties, which can help alleviate digestive discomfort and promote smoother digestion. Together, the combination of lemon and olive oil is thought to provide a synergistic effect, potentially supporting the digestive system and improving overall digestive health. However, further scientific research is needed to validate these claims and understand the specific mechanisms behind these effects. Number 5. Detoxification. Consuming olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach is often associated with detoxification benefits. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the body's natural detoxification processes. It is believed to stimulate liver function and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. Olive oil, with its potential anti-inflammatory properties, may also contribute to the detoxification process. While the combination of olive oil and lemon is thought to aid in detoxification, it's important to note that the body's detoxification mechanisms are complex, and additional research is needed to fully understand the specific effects of this combination on detoxification processes. Number 4. Weight management. Lemon is believed to have appetite-suppressing properties, as it contains pectin fiber and citric acid, which may help promote feelings of fullness and reduce cravings. Additionally, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are considered healthy fats that can help increase satiety and support weight management efforts. The combination of lemon's potential appetite suppression and olive oil's satiating effect may contribute to better portion control and reduced calorie intake throughout the day. However, it's important to remember that weight management is a multifaceted process that involves a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Number 3. Antioxidant support. When you combine olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach, you're giving yourself a boost of antioxidants. Olive oil and lemon are packed with those little warriors that fight against oxidative stress and free radicals. Olive oil has polyphenols and vitamin E, while lemon brings the vitamin C to the party. Together, they team up to protect your body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. So, adding this combo to your routine may give you a healthy antioxidant boost, but remember to mix it up with other antioxidant-rich foods for maximum benefits. Number 2. Heart health. Your heart will love you for incorporating olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach. Olive oil is well known for its heart-healthy properties. It contains monounsaturated fats that can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, lemon brings its vitamin C power to the mix, which may have positive effects on heart health. So, this dynamic duo might just become your heart's best friend, supporting cardiovascular well-being. Number 1. Immune boost. Boosting your immune system is a key benefit of consuming olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach. Lemon is packed with vitamin C, which is renowned for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system, supporting the body's defense against infections and illnesses. By combining lemon's vitamin C content with the potential health benefits of olive oil, such as its anti-inflammatory properties, you may give your immune system an extra boost. However, it's important to note that a healthy immune system relies on a well-rounded diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and other lifestyle factors. While olive oil with lemon may be a part of a healthy routine, it's essential to maintain overall wellness practices to support your immune system effectively. Remember, the benefits of olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach are promising, but individual results may vary. It's best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Until next time. See ya.